Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to reconnect a disconnected MemeFi wallet to OKX. Let's begin. First, open the Telegram application on your device. Once you're inside, tap on the MemeFi app. This will take you to the MemeFi home screen. Now, your interface might look a bit different, but you should see a button labeled Wallet. Tap on it. After clicking the Wallet button, a new page will appear. This page displays your wallet ID. If your wallet is disconnected, the area where your ID should be will appear blank. In this case, look for the option that says Change Wallet and tap it. Once you click on Change Wallet, you'll be taken to a page that prompts you to rebind your wallet. Tap on Yes, Rebind Wallet. Follow the instructions that appear next. At this stage, you'll need to enter your OKX wallet address. After entering it, confirm the details and connect it with your MemeFi coin. This will successfully reconnect your MemeFi wallet with OKX. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.